harvest all these. And I will be honest, I'm intimidated about doing my first canning. Okay, let's see what we do. Okay, so like this, I am so intimidated to do this, but we'll see. So if I made a mistake, will be just with those. First I will boil the water like they say. Then I will have ice water here, and then I will put the peeled tomatoes here. Let's see. Okay, let's put more. So far it's working. Some of the tomatoes I think are so big or so weird. Okay, that will be more than enough. Oh, if it's so tight. 60 seconds. I have this is what I'm taking off from the tomato, and I put on my composter. So all that will go on my recycler for more soil and more tomatoes next year. The skin is breaking already. Oh, nice. Look at that. And while I'm doing this, oops. Oh, this one already kind of break. Okay, let's peel this fast. Have my tomatoes ready, and now I'm have in this old canning what do you call this pot that used to belong to my husband's grandmother. So I will not be surprised if it has 100 years old. We are boiling the cans. I hope I'm doing it the right way. We will see. So it says that I have to bring the water to simmer over medium heat. Do not boil the jars. It's not necessary. Every time I need to put water to warm here, clean a little, because I will put the cans here. I think I will take care of the other ones later. And get ready to can as soon they are ready, and then I have to can everything. Oh my gosh, so much pressure in canning.